All right, in this video, let's talk about what I'll do differently today. I wish I would have started my YouTube channel back when I was in my early 20s. Okay. The thing is that I was just focusing on like other businesses when it comes towards in this space. I didn't see like the potential with when it comes towards YouTube. But the cool part about YouTube, sure it compounds, but it's super slow. You gotta have patience with it. That's why I'd rather use like Facebook advertising, other advertising platforms, because I like to see the data within 2 weeks. I can see the results like, oh, this. But when it comes towards YouTube SEO, sure you can get like free traffic and all that kind of aspects. But the cool part is that why not create another multiple source of income, right? It doesn't matter how old you are. If you're like in your 60s, 70s, you still have a bunch of time. Don't compare yourself towards your journey towards somebody else, because everybody has their different timelines. Okay, different timelines. Maybe they have children. Maybe something is going on with their lives, and all of a sudden, it doesn't matter. Do not compare yourself with other people's timelines, because at the end of the day, that's going to block your growth. Okay, very important. I'm gonna reinforce this again. Comparison is the thief of joy. Do not compare yourself. What matters is that you start today. Doesn't matter how old you are, how young you are. What matters is that you start today. Okay? It could be even 2 videos a week. It could be 3 videos a week. Obviously, the more the better. But at the same time, my goal is to inspire you to create your own videos. Okay? Who cares what people think? Who cares about your friends or your family? Say, oh, you're not going to make it, whatever the case is, because they don't want you to grow. Okay? Trust me on this, guys. You're going to deal with a lot of envy in individuals when you're climbing the ladder. There's going to be people that are going to pull yourself down. This can include your family, it's your close friends, and they call it the evil eye. Okay? So remember this. Those are the type of people you want to get rid of. You don't have to cut them out completely. Just distance yourself from them. Okay. So that's what I'll do differently today. Is create a YouTube channel. I have created a YouTube channel like many years ago, but I just couldn't focus on too many plates at once. Right. So my goal is to encourage you that if you are seeing this video, my goal is to help you to start that YouTube channel, to start that online business, to do what you got to do to separate yourself from what's going on with today's era. Okay. And think like this, guys, like you'll never know where your YouTube channel is going to land to. Okay. Think of anybody who first started, right? Like they had to start somewhere, right? And then watch it compounds. Okay, and then it's gonna open more doors for you. You're gonna meet more like-minded individuals. Then you can start collabing with one another. Once your YouTube channel is at the specific target that you want to reach, and maybe you're gonna find another YouTube partner that is doing similar towards you. It's the law of connections. Okay, it's interesting when it comes towards this. Okay. So that's what I'll do differently today. Instead of me focusing on too much of paid advertising and working on other things, I should have done this way before in my 20s, just to build another source of income, an extra side of income. And that's what I'll do differently today. If I was you, start a YouTube channel right now. Who cares what people think? Okay, do it, and it's free. Okay, so that's my message towards you. I'm here to inspire. And make sure you guys subscribe towards this YouTube channel. Comment below this video if you guys are liking this. And I'll see you guys in the next video.